Is it time to buy or sell Oklo stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Oklo. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 22nd of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of January, 2025, our system has ranked Oklo as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Remarkably, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of approximately 25.39% since we initially recommended purchasing Oklo 12 days ago. This equates to an average return of about 2.12% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system foresees significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we cannot predict the stock's next direction, as it may move in either direction. The stock has broken through a significant and robust rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger upward momentum ahead. Should there be any pullback, support will now be found at the level of $30.74, which could present a second opportunity for a substantial gain. According to fan theory, the next potential peak level is expected to be $41.27, acting as a resistance that may not be surpassed on the initial attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 16.81% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return that could range from negative 30.94% to positive 5.07%. Our latest daily update for Oklo includes the headline, "On Wednesday, Oklo Inc. stock price gained an impressive 9.34%. The Oklo Inc. stock price increased 9.34% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 22nd of January, 2025, rising from $31.25 to $34.17. It has now gained for 5 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether this trend continues or if it might take a slight break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 9.12%, with a low of $32.03 and a high of $34.95. The price has experienced ups and downs during this period, resulting in a gain of 13.9% over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 2 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 23 million shares changed hands for approximately $797,150,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $34.95, while the lowest was $5.35. Currently, the price is 2.23% or 78 cents below the 52-week high of $34.95, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Today, Oklo Incorporated is in the spotlight due to multiple developments that could significantly impact its stock price. A shareholder alert was issued by the Pomerantz law firm, which is investigating claims on behalf of Oklo investors. Such news typically raises concerns and may lead to increased volatility in the short term as investors react to the potential for legal challenges. Additionally, prominent investor Cathie has sold her stake in Oklo, transferring her investment to uranium refiner Cameco. High-profile trades like this can lead to shifts in investor sentiment, potentially causing a decrease in Oklo's stock price, especially among those following Wood's investment strategies. On a more positive note, the nuclear energy sector is experiencing a rally under the current administration, which is advocating for increased energy production. This environment could benefit Oklo in the long run, particularly as energy demand continues to soar, driven by emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence. Oklo's recent partnership with R-Power aims to enhance power availability for data centers, positioning the company well in an industry with rising energy needs. This strategic move suggests potential for growth and could bolster investor confidence over time. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, Wedbush assigned Oklo an outperform rating with an initiate action. On Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, Citigroup rated Oklo as neutral, recommending a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, B. Riley assigned Oklo a buy rating with an initiate action. On Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, Seaport Global assigned Oklo a neutral rating with an initiate action. On Friday, the 21st of June, 2024, Citigroup again rated Oklo as neutral, recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned Oklo stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book value as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, analysts also categorize the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Oklo. The Oklo Inc. stock exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. There is also a general buy signal based on the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at the levels of $26.51 and $22.97. A drop below either of these levels would issue sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, January 14, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 49.8%. Further growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is also rising alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal recorded 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal noted 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal observed 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 17 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. Short moving average, buy signal indicated 22 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 79 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 72 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Oklo. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $30.25 and $27.25. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as a breach could lead to a decline to the next support threshold. In this instance, Oklo Inc. finds support just below today's level at $30. If this level is broken, the next support, based on accumulated volume, will be at $27.25 and $26.57. This stock may experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock moved $2.92 between its high and low, which represents a change of 9.12%. In the last week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 11.42%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for Oklo, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could indicate bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 27th of March, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Oklo. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the stock could potentially move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to guide your exit strategy. On the downside, Oklo encounters its first support level at $30. If this support level holds, it could represent a favorable entry point, allowing for an anticipated rebound. The combined average rating for Oklo from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 30th of December, 2024, Cochrane Caroline conducted an insider sale of 35,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Cochrane Caroline conducted another insider sale of 35,000 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on the 30th of December, 2004, DeWitt Jacob executed an insider sale of 35,000 shares of Class A common stock. On that same date, DeWitt Jacob made another insider sale of 35,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 23rd of December, 2024, Kinsley Richard made an insider purchase of 5,000 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 48 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of 41.560. Overall, insiders purchased 93,433,604 shares and sold 30,907,766 shares in the last 48 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $32.93, reflecting a decrease of 3.64%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces a significant level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 5 days ago. Is Oklo stock a good buy? Oklo Inc. presents several positive signals, but these are not sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, which means one should either hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical indicators, we have adjusted our analysis from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 23rd of January, we anticipate that Oklo will open down by approximately 453 hundredths of a dollar, starting trading at $33.72. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.